Okay, we've got Jimmie Johnson
Yeah.
on the road,
Yeah.
and he needs a car wash. So he's gonna go to the Hunter's Tinker Toy Car Wash. There he comes. Around the corner. A little bit faster would be nice. Thanks. It's going through the, what are these first?
Wipes.
He's going through the wipes first.
Now the brushes.
Now he's going through these side brushes. See, the side brushes here. Okay, what's after the side brushes?
The top brush.
Okay, he's got to go forward. Move them forward. The top brushes. All right, and what happens after the top brush?
To blow it and they.
The air dryer? What about these side brushes here, these tire brushes? Oh, the guy's got the air dryer, and then he's on his way. Go, Jimmie, go!